Ah, the spring. It's almost St. Patrick's Day. Leprechauns and pots of gold? I'm not so sure. Not very scientific. But I love to try to find four-leaf clovers. Though I've not found one yet. Three-leaf clovers are very common, but the four-leaf clover is rare. Did you know only about 1 in 5,000 clover plants result in a four-leaf clover? Maybe I should start counting to see if I can make it to 5,000 before I find one. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7. I've never really seen one before. Oh my, it can't be. A four-leaf clover, at last. From sciencewithkids.com, my friends and I want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hi, I'm Kay from Berry Mama Drama, and I'd like to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day.
I'm Joaquin. And I'm Sophia. And we're from Joaquin and Sophia channel.
Okay, a little bit more energy, guys.
Okay, let's do this again. Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Okay, for Kelly's Toytube, and I wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Go!
This is Prince from Arnold Prince wishing you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Now it's time for me to give me a pot of gold.
Hey guys, it's me, Liz. And Adrian. From Liz and Adrians World. We want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Nope, wait. And there it goes. Bye.
Hello, this is Branin from the channel Marshall Branin, wishing you a happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hi guys, it's me, Mercy, from Moments with Mercy. Me and my little friends have something we want to say to you. Come on guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye guys.
Hi everybody, I'm Kay.
And I'm Adam.
I'm Kaylin.
I'm Hope.
I'm next and free.
And we're the Tim's family from Not So Tiny Tim's. We'd like to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day.
So hi, my name is Kerry and my channel name is One Mom and Her Son, and we would like to wish all YouTubers a happy St. Patrick's Day. From us at One Mom and Her Son to all YouTubers, happy St. Patrick's Day, and see you next time.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
From Rickyanddominic.
Woo!
No, I'm first.
Hi and welcome to Rainbow Toy Reviews. I'm Mum.
And I'm Oscar.
And today we just want to wish you Happy Paddy's Day from all at Rainbow Toy Reviews.
Oh, hi there. From all of us at sciencewithkids.com, have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day.
That's hard. All right, here we go. Ready? And action.
Happy Princess Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day from the Filmmaking Family.
Day.
Oh, the Princess
Happy
Day.
Princess St. Patrick's Day.
Happy Princess St. Patrick's Day from the Filmmaking Family. Happy Thanksgiving. No, Princess Day. Okay, happy your
Happy day.
Happy day. Woo!
Happy St. Patrick's Day from the Little Few.
We wish you guys lots of Irish luck and a happy St. Patrick's Day from Tink or Belle and Nisi.
Hello everyone, it's Toots Teens here, and we want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St.
Patrick's Day.
Hello, it's
Kirsty here.
Hi, it's Lexi here.
Hi, it's Adrian.
Hello.
And this is Esme. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Yaboo TV.
Bye.
This is Mr. James with sciencewithkids.com. You guys have a great St. Patrick's Day. See you real soon.